papalit-palit ka ng business. Yung nga, parang kadugtong sinasabi ko kanina, in the long run, hindi naman nag-grow yung mga business kasi papalit-palit ka eh. Pero may naririnig naman ako mga katulad yung mga motivational speaker na sabi nila, okay, gusto mong business, try mo lahat itong gusto mo. Kung alin dyan ang mag-succeed, yun ang gawin mo. Pero okay ba yun?
Tawag dyan in our world, yung serial entrepreneur. Diba yung gawa lang ng gawa ng businesses. There is benefit of doing that. Nakakita ko rin naman. And then syempre may pros and cons with in that playbook, so to speak. Yung gagawin dyan. Number one, my question there is, so ano natutunan nyo? I mean, okay,
Correct.
you have a few failures, pero yung gusto natin gawin, like every year we have some quiet time, me time to just reflect on what happened in the past and then what we want to do in the future. I mean, kailangan matuto tayo eh. I mean, yes, if failure is important, if failure is a tool, if you use it the right way. And kung puro ka nagbabago, pero kailangan, that's okay as long as you reflect and learn from your mistakes.